Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to prevent data manipulation in Looker Studio reports. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you share dashboards with clients, teams, or stakeholders and want to keep your data safe, this guide is for you. First, let's start with sharing permissions. Open your Looker Studio report and click the Share button in the top right corner. When adding users, always give view access instead of edit access unless someone truly needs to modify the report. View access prevents users from changing charts, filters, or data sources. Next, protect your data sources. Go to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources, and open your data source settings. Under Credentials, choose Owner's Credentials. This ensures viewers cannot reconnect or replace the data source with their own version. Now let's control filters. Avoid using editable filters that allow users to change core metrics or dimensions. Instead, apply fixed filters directly at the chart or data source level. This way, viewers can't manipulate results by adjusting filters. Another important step is locking report structure. Do not give edit access to shared users because edit access allows duplication, deletion, and formula changes. If someone needs customization, create a copy of the report and share that version separately. You should also disable data export when possible. In file settings, turn off options that allow viewers to download or extract data. This helps prevent misuse of raw data outside the report. Always test your report before sharing. Open it in an incognito window to see exactly what a viewer can access. This simple step helps you catch permission mistakes early. By using proper sharing roles, secure data source credentials, fixed filters, and export restrictions, you can confidently protect your Looker Studio reports from manipulation. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more practical Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.